Imagine a patient arrives unconscious to the emergency room. Their blood sugar is extremely high, their breath smells fruity, and their breathing very fast. What is happening inside their body? Answer lies in one important biochemical pathway, that is the ketogenesis. In the next 10 minutes, you will understand how our body starts producing ketone bodies, why this process is actually life-saving during fasting, and how the same pathway can become life-threatening in diabetic ketoacidosis. By the end of this video, you will never confuse ketogenesis and ketoacidosis again, and you will be ready for your MBBS exams, Viva and NEET PG questions. So let's begin. First, we will see what is the ketone bodies. First is the acetone, then acetoacetate, and third one is β-Hydroxybutyrate. These are the ketone bodies. Acetone is the true ketone, but exception is that it cannot metabolize. It is the volatile waste product and excreted by the lungs. Acetoacetate, it is a true ketone and water soluble and energy yielding. And beta-hydroxybutyrate, it is the non-keto group and water soluble and energy yielding. And finally, we will see the ketogenesis. Definition is the metabolic process in which the liver produces ketone bodies from the fatty acids. It occurs primarily when carbohydrate availability is low, such as fasting, prolonged exercise, starvation, low carbohydrate diets, and uncontrolled diabetes mellitus. It is also associated in the diabetic mellitus, that is ketoacidosis. Location of the ketogenesis, that is liver mitochondria. Main organ is liver. It is the largest gland in our gland, used by the brain, heart, skeletal muscles, especially during the glucose shortage, like fasting. Then acetyl-CoA, formed by the oxidation of fatty acids, is the precursor for the ketone bodies. Remember, the acetyl-CoA is the precursor for the ketone bodies. We will see the steps for ketogenesis. 2 moles of acetyl-CoA condenses to form acetoacetyl-CoA. Enzyme is thiolase. Enzyme involved in the final step of the beta oxidation, that is the acetoacetate synthesis, is the reversal of the thiolase reaction of the fatty acid oxidation. Then second step is acetoacetyl-CoA combines with another molecule of acetyl-CoA to form and produce beta-hydroxy-beta-methyl glutaryl-CoA, means HMG-CoA. HMG-CoA, you should remember HMG-CoA. This whole name is not that much important. You remember the HMG-CoA. An enzyme is the HMG-CoA synthase. Here HMG-CoA is formed, so enzyme is HMG-CoA synthase. This reaction regulates the synthesis of ketone bodies. And third step is HMG-CoA cleaves HMG-CoA to produce acetoacetate and acetyl-CoA. Here acetoacetate can undergo spontaneous decarboxylation to form acetone. Then acetoacetate can be reduced by dehydrogenase to beta-hydroxybutyrate, is the most predominant ketone body present in the circulation and urine in ketosis. Here, finally, ketone bodies are formed. Acetoacetate formed, acetone is formed, and then beta-hydroxybutyrate is also formed. And beta-hydroxybutyrate is the most predominant ketone body. Carbon skeleton of these amino acids, that is ketogenic, is degraded to acetoacetate or acetyl-CoA and therefore to ketone bodies. These are the example that the ketogenic amino acids: leucine, lysine, phenylalanine, etc. Here is the one question, that why ketogenesis is important. When glucose is low in our body, oxaloacetate is used for gluconeogenesis. Acetyl-CoA cannot enter the TCA cycle efficiently. Then the excess acetyl-CoA converted into ketone bodies. Ketone bodies travel in blood to tissues and are converted back to the acetyl-CoA for energy. Brain adapts to use ketone after about 2 to 3 days of fasting. It is the important point that brain adapts to use ketones after 2 to 3 days of fasting. Brain is more adaptable to the glucose. In utilization of the ketone bodies, Ketone bodies is water soluble and easily transported from the liver to various tissues. Especially acetoacetate and beta-hydroxybutyrate serve as important sources of energy for peripheral tissues like skeletal muscles, cardiac, and renal cortex. Production and utilization become more significant when glucose is in short supply to the tissues. In example, in the situation of the starvation and diabetes mellitus. During the starvation, it's not about 1 day or 2 day. Prolonged starvation, ketone bodies are major fuel source for the brain. To utilize fatty acids for the energy is very limited, and ketone bodies can meet 50 to 70% of the brain energy, not full but 50 to 70% of the energy. Then the reactions are there. The beta-hydroxybutyrate convert to acetoacetate and metabolized. Second one is the acetoacetate activated to acetyl-CoA by the mitochondrial enzyme theophorase. Third one is the theophorase absent in liver, and hence ketone bodies are not utilized by the liver. Fourth one is the thiolase cleaves acetyl-CoA to 2 moles of acetyl-CoA. In the regulation of the ketogenesis, glucagon stimulates the ketogenesis, insulin inhibits the ketogenesis. Increased ratio of the glucagon is to insulin that causes, in the situation of the diabetes mellitus, that promotes the ketone body formation. Hence, in the diabetic mellitus, there it is the associated with the ketoacidosis. Regulation at the 3 metabolic stages. First is mobilization of free fatty acids from the adipose tissue. Here, free fatty acids enter in the liver that undergoes the beta oxidation and causes increase in acetyl-CoA. Excess acetyl-CoA due to low oxaloacetic acid converted into ketone bodies. Second is the carnitine palmitoyl transferase CPT first. Activity is low in fed stage and high in starvation. Hence, starvation results in the elevated fatty acid oxidation and form more ketone bodies. Concentration of oxaloacetate. Low levels of oxaloacetate in the starvation and diabetes mellitus impairs oxidation of the acetyl-CoA via Krebs cycle, and it is the overproduction of the ketone bodies occur. And here is the important clinical condition for the ketogenesis. It's the ketoacidosis. Serious metabolic condition in which there is excess production of the ketone bodies leading to metabolic acidosis, where blood pH is lower than the 7.4. That causes of the ketoacidosis. Acetoacetate and beta-hydroxybutyrate are strong acids and dissociate and release H plus ions, which lowers the pH. When prolonged starvation is there, body starts producing more ketone bodies. And uncontrolled diabetes mellitus, especially type 1 diabetes mellitus, most common cause of the diabetic ketoacidosis. And fourth one is chronic alcoholism, that's also called as alcoholic ketoacidosis. Pathophysiology means the mechanism of the ketoacidosis. First, insulin deficiency, as like in diabetes mellitus, then increase in lipolysis that causes increase in fatty acids, free fatty acids in blood, then the liver do the beta oxidation and increase the acetyl-CoA. Excess acetyl-CoA that forms the ketone bodies, that acetoacetate and beta-hydroxybutyrate. Then finally accumulation of ketones occurs and hence pH lowers, that causes the acidosis. Biochemical features of ketoacidosis: increase in ketone bodies in blood, that is ketonemia, and ketones in urine, that is ketonuria. Decrease in blood pH is less than 7.35, and decrease in bicarbonate levels and increase in blood glucose levels, especially in the diabetes ketoacidosis. Then the treatment for the ketoacidosis, that the rapid treatment for this situation is required to correct the metabolic abnormalities and associated water electrolyte imbalance. Hence, administration of the insulin is should do there and necessary to stimulate uptake of glucose by tissues and inhibition of ketogenesis. In the coma can be fatal if not treated. Ketogenesis, if is in high peak, then it occurs coma. It can be fatal if not treated well. Here is the ketosis is the another clinical state, that metabolic state in which there is the mild increase in ketone bodies in blood due to increased fat breakdown. It is usually normal and adaptive process. It's not a disease or syndrome. It is the compensative process. Causes of ketosis, that fasting after 12 to 24 hours, means 1 day, and starvation, low ketogenic or carbohydrate diet, and prolonged exercise. This causes decrease in glucose availability, decrease in insulin, increased glucagon, increased lipolysis, and that increases the free fatty acids, and liver get notified, beta oxidation occur, and increase in acetyl CoA. That excess acetyl CoA forms the ketone bodies. The features of ketosis: mild increase in ketone bodies, that is ketonemia, and increase ketones may appear in urine, that ketonuria. Blood pH remains normal, no acidosis. Hence it is called as only ketosis, not ketoacidosis. Important that it provides alternative fuel for the brain, muscle, and heart. Help to survival during starvation, has a protein sparing effect. Hence here keto topic is completed. If you like it, share, like and subscribe. Thank you.